We just got this new Tesla Model 3 Performance 2 days ago, and we've been preparing for this already. So here are the 3 things we've already done to it, and the first 3 things I do when I get a brand new Tesla. Let's get into it. The first thing, hands down, is tints. Especially living in California or any sort of place with sun, you definitely need tints. And not only for like the heat rejection, but also the color and styling, and also the UV protection as well. You can see we did 70% on the front windshield, it gives it a nice pop. And on top of that, we did 30% on the sides, which is really nice to help with the heat rejection and everything, and gives it a nice look. I think every single Tesla, almost every single vehicle, always needs tints all around. And of course, shout out to the team at OC Tint Solutions in Anaheim and Costa Mesa. They just opened a brand new shop in Costa Mesa, and so definitely check them out if you're looking to get any sort of tint installed. The material we went with is 3M ceramic, and so definitely hit them up on Yelp or even directly and ask for Jason, the owner, and also ask for the dentist deal so that he knows that he can hook you up. But you can see the side profile looks fantastic with the 30% on the sides, and also the rear of it looks great as well with it being completely tinted on the back side of it. The second accessory is going to be all-weather floor mat. This is a brand new set that we got from 3W, and it's fantastic. Let me show you why. I've had a ton of different all-weather floor mats and all different levels. I've experienced cheap Amazon ones, I've experienced 3D Mats USA ones, but these by 3W Liners is definitely by far the best. And the reason why is because you can tell that they're actually carpeted mats, but even if you don't want that, if you want to switch and go to like an all-weather mat, it's right underneath there, and you have that protection for the dirt, snow, or sand, or whatever you want. But when you're done going wherever you need to go, you can put the carpet mats back on top of that, which is a really nice hybrid between the two of them, and it gives you a nice look and feel to them. And in terms of the pricing, it's not bad at all, so definitely check out our discount code, which gives you even better pricing down below in the description. And these are just the first 2 out of 3 accessories or things that I do to every Tesla. There's much more, and there's gonna be more in store as well. And we even might be taking this Tesla to the track to try and see how that experience is on top of all this. But the third accessory, the third thing I do to every single Tesla is adding some sort of phone mount, and there's plenty of reasons why. But let me show you first the phone mount that we went with for this Tesla vehicle. The phone mount that we went with is the MagBack wireless charger, also linked down below as well. And you can see it's a very nice, sleek looking design with it, and super nicely fitted on top of that. It's also MagSafe charger, so it's hooked up to a USB-C down here, and it's perfect, and it charges your phone when you need to, and puts the phone in the straight line visibility so that when you're using autopilot, you can look at the GPS on your phone if you need to as well. But hopefully you enjoyed this quick video on the first 3 things I do to every single Tesla, and in fact I did do to this Tesla within 2 days of picking it up. Definitely check out all the links down below in the description. Thank you to everybody that's partnered with us so far. Let us know, what do you do to your Tesla first, and what are you looking to purchase for your Tesla as well? But thanks for watching, everybody. Please hit that like if you enjoy it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.